Okay guys, base versus injection. Chambin.
Jump ball between Pacumio and Alonso Lane. Okay, timer is ready, scorer is ready, referee is ready. First possession goes to kanina first possession. Setan. Replaying. Nawalang bola Pacumio. Katakutan. Katakutan solo-solo in the first ball. From Sampid. Rock dribbling. Double team. Maglangang pass to Baltasar. Baltasar. Brazil. Intercepted. Pacumio. Katakutan pero nawala ang bola. Same by Yambo. And there's a whistle. Pacumio sa labas. Pass to Yambo. So, katakutan for 3. One goal. Rebound by Alas Break. Zetan, intercepted. Zetan pa rin. Inayuan with Kirong Raya. Wala. Nice defense by Raya. Intercepted by katakutan. So, Raya. Back to katakutan. Katakutan. Brazil. Hollywood. Back to Pacumio. 2 points. 8 minutes and 50 seconds remaining for the first quarter. Alonso Lane, times for 3. One goal. Rebound by Raya. Raya now. Harap by Zetan. Pass to Yambao. Yambao. Pass to Raya. Raya. Razi. Pass to Yambao. Yambao. Tumalakyan. And there's no shot. Pass to Zetan. Back to Rojas. 8 minutes and 25 seconds for the first quarter. Rojas. Pass to Alonso Lane. Alonso Lane. Tumalakyan. Tumira. There's no whistle. One goal. Take and go. Kaya now. Easy dribbling. Back to katakutan. Masyadong mata. Zetan now. Back to Rojas. Rojas. Easy dribbling. Pinasa kay Alonso Lane. Yan. One goal. Rebound by Raya. Raya now. Raya dribbling the ball. Hinahabol siya ng tatlo. Pinasa kay katakutan. Pass to Pacumio. Pacumio nag-alaman. 15 seconds shot clock. Raya for 3. Raya. I score for London. 7-1. Zetan now. Brazil. Kumagaya. There's a whistle. Try now. Dribbling the ball. Setting the play. Pass to katakutan. Katakutan. Pinasa kay Yaraw. Yaraw. Pinasa kay Yambo. Pass to katakutan. 12 seconds shot clock. 10 seconds shot clock. One goal. Rebound by Yambo. Nakuha pa rin kanya. Yambo now. Harap by Zetan. Pass to katakutan. Intercepted by Rojas. Rojas now. Baltasar. Baltasar now. Intercepted. Baltasar. Pinasa kay Rojas. Rojas now. Looking for Silver. Intercepted by Raya. Raya katakutan. Katakutan. Lays up. One goal. Big rebound by Raya. Pinalik kay Yambo. Yambo now. Pasto katakutan. Katakutan saan. One goal. Rebound by Rojas. Rojas to Alonso Lane. Alonso Lane. Walang nakawit. Takbo laban sa isa. Huling kabalbon. Alonso Lane. Raya. Intercept. Harap to by Zetan. Raya now. One goal. Rebound by Pacumio. Pacumio now. Wala pa rin. Big rebound by Alonso Lane. Alonso Lane now. Nagpamadali. Pass up. Kondong Raya. Raya now. Dribbling the ball. Pinasa kay katakutan. Katakutan. 10 seconds shot clock. Back to Raya. Yambo. 5 seconds. Raya for 3. One goal. Rebound by Ross now. Pinasa sa loob. Intercepted ng Pacumio. Pacumio. Habol masyado. Ross sa loob. 5 minutes and 45 seconds remaining for the first. Zetan now. Brazil. Drop back to Baltasar. Baltasar bumangga kay Pacumio. Pinasa sa loob. Alonso Lane. Jump shot. 1 goal. Rebound by Pacumio. Ayan lang si Pacumio. Pacumio na. There's no whistle. Pinasa kay Yambo. Jump shot.
Saka naman
Third throw. Pasok.
Lapitan natin. Biglang naputol.
Mga player na nandiyan sa tabi ng court. Okay, katakutan, Sutraya. Pasto Yambot. Yambot daw, pinasakay katakutan. Katakutan, and for 3. 1 goal. Rebound over Arake. Arake daw, intercepted by Adriano. Nag-agawan sa bola, Adriano. Paul, 1 goal. Rebound over Alonso Dane. Alonso Dane daw, nagsamadali, naiwan ng bola. Harap sabay katakutan, Setan, Setan to Alonso Dane. Jump, 2 points by Alonso. Try now. Pasok Traya, drive in, foul, 1 goal, rebounded by Adriano, 2 points by Adriano. Easy dribbling, 4 minutes and 40 seconds remaining. Intercepted by Traya, pinasakay katakutan, saktong-sakto, good pa rin. Foul, 1 goal, rebounded by Arake. Arake, pasok Maglala. Maglala now, drive in, foul, 1 goal, rebounded by Katakutan, Galing, pinasa kay Yambot. Yambot, fake, foul, pinasa kay Katakutan. 15 seconds shot clock, Katakutan for 3, 1 goal, rebounded by Maglala, pasto Alonso Dane. Alonso Dane. Dire-diretso, umikot sa may tira, may pito, foul. First row, by Alonso Dane. Second row, rebounded by Gomez. Back to Traya. Traya now. Traya, dire-diretso, pinasa kay Yambot. Yambot, jump jack. 2 points by Yambot. Intercepted by Yambot. Yambot now. Dribbling the ball, driving in, lays up. 1 goal, rebounded by Setan. Setan now. Setan sa laksak, pinasa kay Alonso Dane, umikot, foul, 1 goal, rebounded by wala pa rin, kaninong bola rin, yun. Katakutan na, dribbling the ball, score, 11-12, lamang pa rin ang isa, ang double rejection, Adriano Paz, 1 goal, rebounded by Alonso Dane. Setan, Setan now. Foul, pakisalip, salip foul, 1 goal. Salip pa rin, dinasa kay Setan. Setan now. 1 goal, rebounded by Yambot. Yambot, back to Traya. Traya, kuha pa rin ni Gomez. Gomez, harap ko rin Setan. Back to Traya. Traya. 1 goal. Alonso Dane for 2 points. Dribbling the ball. Score pa natin. All 12. Traya. Raji. Huli ka balbon. Pero nagawa ni Adriano. Adriano Paz. 1 goal. Rebound by Setan. Setan patuloy Salim. Salim daw. Pinasa ito sa Yambot. Yambot. May pagsayawan. Sabay pira. Wala. Sa kanya pa rin ang bola. May pinong Setan sa loob. Setan now. Setan is in dribbling. 15 seconds shot clock. Setan drives in. Pinasa kay Salim. 1 goal. Rebounder by Maglala. Maglala now. Back to Setan. 5 seconds shot clock. Alonso Dane foul. 1 goal. Rebounder by Yamaw. Yamaw pa sa Traya. Traya now. Pinasa sa loob. Intercepted by Alonso Dane. Ayan na si Alonso Dane. Dire-diretso, sumagasak, iniwan kay Setan. 1 goal, rebounded by Yamaw. Yamaw pa to Yambot. Yambot daw. Stamps to Katakutan. Katakutan jump shot. It's an air ball. Setan daw. Injuring. Going for sure, pa to Alonso Dane. Alonso Dane. Intercepted by Maglala, nakuha pa rin Maglala, pass to Raquel, pass to Salen, nakuha ni Yambot ang bola, pass to Traya, isang gasa, nasundutan, nakuha ni Yambot, 2 points by Yambot. Arake pass to Sedan, 35 seconds remaining for the first quarter, Sedan now, driving in, intercepted by Yabaw, pass to Traya, solo, lays up, 2 points by Traya. 25 seconds remaining. 20 seconds remaining. 15 seconds remaining. 1 goal. 10 seconds remaining. 5 seconds remaining. Time off. Score namin. 14-16. Laban ng dalawa ang double injection.
Guys, second quarter guys. Second quarter.
Okay, bola ng base. Setan daw. Hitting the ball. Setan. Setting the play. Kapit na.
Kulang ang isa.
Pasok. Pat. Pinasa kay Alonso Day. Back to Setan. Setan daw. Hitting the ball. Second quarter na tayo ha. Setan nagsasayawan. Nagkaroon ng papamasahan. 2 seconds shot lock. Alonso Day foul. 1 goal. Rebounder by. And there's no whistle. Adriano. Nag-alangan. Pass. 1 goal. Rebounder by. Maglala. Harap sumaya daw. Tinasa kay Salem. Ayan na si Salem. Double tip. Naagawan na nga. Pinasa. Intercepted pa rin. Kaya pa rin ang bola. Patuyabaw. Jump shot. 1 goal. Kaninong bola mapupunta? Nakuha ni Maglala. Pinasa kay Zetan. Ayan na si Zetan. Nakikaya. Pinlegin. Kumira. 2 puntos. Ang remaining for the second quarter. Yabaw. Driving in. Joshua Wilson. Di lang naka... Yabaw. First throw. 1 goal. Jumper ready. Wala pa rin. Follow up. Wala. Rebound by Yambot. Yambot. Back to katakutan. Attempt for 3. Katakutan. Ripping the ball. Setan. Easy dribbling. Setting the play. Back to Salem. Salem. Babawi. Wala. Rebounder by. And there's the whistle. Foul on. First round. Wala. Rebounder by Brian. Ayan na si Ginoong Raya. Nagmamadali. Aatake. Tumira. Wala. Rebound jumper. Follow up. Wala. Nakadyan mali. Wala. Rebounder by Maglala. Arake. Arake. Katakutan daw. Arake by Setan. Katakutan. Gransin. Pinasa kay Traya. Arake by Setan. 1 goal. Rebounder by Adriano. Tumira. Wala. Sa kanya pa rin kaya bola. Kanina mapupunta. 19-20. Isa lang kalabahan ng double injection. Setan daw. Hitting the ball. Looking for Silver. Pasalang sa day. 10-4-3. 1 goal. Rebounder by Katakutan. Katakutan. Pinasa kay Traya. Traya to Yambot. Yambot fake. Pinasa kay Traya sa labas. Adriano. Gransin. Foul. 1 goal. Rebound Yambot. Follow down to now. Setan. Dribbling the ball. Arang by Traya. 15 seconds shot. Intercepted by Traya. Ayan lang si Traya. Hinahabol ni Maglala. Pinasa kay Katakutan to Yambot. Nice assist. Ganda na rock now. Dribbling the ball. Pinasa kay Zetan. Pass to Salem. Salem foul. 1 goal. Rebound by Adriano. Pinasa kay Yambot. Reverse shot. Wala pa rin. Rebound by Maglala. Maglala pa Alonso Day. Alonso Day. Gransin foul. 1 goal. Rebound by Alonso Lente. 10 seconds shot clock. Dalam sa labas. Pakuseta. 5 seconds shot clock. Intercepted. Sa kanya pa rin. Okay, second sila. Yambot now. Losing the ball. Yambot. Pumorma sa press. Tumira. Wala. Nakuha ng Inoong katakutan. Pinasa kay Zetan. So, Alonso din. Diskarte. Pakusalen. 1-0. Rebound na by Yambot. Yambot to Traya. Traya now. Back to katakutan. Wala. Rebound Maglala. Maglala now. Ayan na si Maglala. Atake. Pinakatalong kay Salem. 2 points to go. Back to Traya. Traya now. Stop and shoot. Wala. Rebound na by Alonso din. 21 to 24. 5 minutes remaining for the second quarter. Zetan now. How to may Traya. Zetan. 10 seconds shot clock. Salem. Pinasa kay Zetan. Tumira. 2 points to by Zetan. Katakutan now. Dribbling the ball. Pinasa kay Yabaw. On the free throw line. 1 goal. Rebounder by Alonso din. Alonso din. There's a whistle. Personal on Yabaw. Second team foul. Foul the ball. Zetan down the ball. Back to Maglala. Maglala. Back to Zetan. Zetan. Nakawag si Tao ng bola. Maglala. Back to Salem. Nakagawan sa bola. Nakuha ni Gomez. Pass to Yabaw. Yabaw. Pass to Yambot. Back to katakutan. There's a whistle. First throw. Second throw, wala. 0 out of 2. Second down. Dribbling the ball. Harap na may katakutan. Kasunod. Zetan pa rin ang bola. 14 seconds shot clock. Katakutan. Yabaw. Katakutan. Katakutan now. Setting the play. That's it. Foul. Katakutan. Back to Zetan.
Tagay ka.
Zetan now. 3 minutes and 20 seconds remaining for the second quarter. Zetan.
Angkas mo?
Nakakayo lang gabi. Back to Maglala. Nakagawa ni Yabaw. Pag-break to katakutan. Solong lolo. Palo. Dr. Bayambo.
Talon.
3 minutes remaining for the second quarter. Silent now. Back to Zetan. Zetan. Sets the play. Go. 23 to 28. Zetan now. 10 seconds shot clock. It's the roll your attack. Back to Yambot. Yambot now. 10 for 3. 1 goal. Rebounder by katakutan. Back to Yambot. 10 seconds shot clock. Intercepted by Arake. Arake, dire-diretso, puting mawala. Sinama kay Alonso din. 2 points. Yambot. 1 goal. 1 goal Alonso din. Alonso din, pag-Zetan. Zetan now. 1 minute and 50. 1 goal. Rebound. Sa kanya pa rin. Zetan. Dahil there's a whistle. Zetan, first throw. Back block. Second throw, 1 goal. Rebound by Gomez. Gomez, back to katakutan. Katakutan to Yambot. Yambot, there's a whistle. Gomez sa labas. Pinasa kay Yambot. Back to katakutan. Katakutan. Intercepted by Arake. Back to Zetan. Ayan na si Zetan. Nagmamadali. Pinasa kay Alonso din. Yabaw. Dribbling the ball. 1 minute and 5 seconds remaining. Yabaw now. Didiskarte. Umatake. Wala. Table. 12 seconds shot clock. Back to katakutan. Yun lang. Masyadong malaki. Alonso din. Back to Zetan. 50 seconds remaining for the second quarter. Zetan now. Pinasa kay Alonso din. Pinasa kay Arake. 10 seconds shot clock. And there's no whistle. First row. second air ball. Yambot sa labas. Pinasakay katakutan. 10 seconds shot clock. 5 seconds. Katakutan for 3. 1 4. Rebounder by. Dribbling. Setan now. 20 seconds remaining. Pass to Arake. Arake to Salim. 5. 1 4. Follows up. 10 seconds. 5 seconds. Ryan for 3. Wala na. Ang score mo natin, 27-28, lamang ng isa. Second half.
Okay guys, third quarter guys. Third quarter tayo guys. Change score.
Second half tayo, third quarter.
All ang score natin guys, no? All.
Katakutan ng bola. Pasto Traya. Pasto Yambot. Pasto Adriano. Fadeaway shot. Wala. Rebound by Manglala. Pinasa kay Alonso din. Ayan na si Alonso din. At Raquel may shot. 2 points. By Traya. Score 28-30. Katakutan daw. Hitting the ball. Katakutan, Ranjin, Pasto Traya. Sasalak-lak. Pinasa kay Yambot. 2 points. By Yambot. Dead lang tayo, all 30. Katakutan. Looking for Silver, para po Setan. Jaksa. Setan, Ruya. Looking for Silver, para po Katakutan, babawi. 1-2. Rebounder by Traya. Gomez, wala pa rin. Rebounder by Alonso din. Ito yung whistle. Pinasakay Maglala. Maglalang, back to Setan. Setan now. Setan, pass to Alonso din. Ranjin, pass. 1-go. Rebounder by Yambot. Ayan na, naiwan ng bola. Napunta kay Arake. Pass to Alonso din. Pass. 1-go. Rebounder by Yambot. Pass to Traya. Ayan na si Traya. Pass to Yambot. Pass to whistle. Follow. Setan now. Dribbling the ball. 8 minutes left by Setan. Pasto Arake. Pasto Setan. Isa pa sa tres. Wala. Rebound by Yabaw. Yabaw na. Pasto Traya. Traya to Katakutan. Katakutan na. 2 points. Dead lang tayo. All on 3. Alonso din. Intercepted kay Katakutan. Katakutan to Yambot. Ayan na si Yambot. Sa kanya may pito. Gomez, pass. 1-go. Yambot. First roll niya. Pasok pa rin. 7 minutes and 23 seconds remaining. Aranganaw, taking the ball. Looking for the ball para Alonso rin. Alonso rin, tumira, may pito. Warning for penalty rin ang play. First row, pasok. Pasok, 2-0. Yung tira, bakit natin? Try now. Gasa, tumira. Wala. Rebound by Alonso din. Ayan na si Alonso din. Nagmamadali. Tumira, may pito. Sino? Ay, ito. Injection. Alonso din. Wala. Rebound by Yambot. Pass to Traya. Traya now. Pinasa kay Katakutan. Raise up. 2 points by Katakutan. Pass to Setan. Setan now. Setan. Ranjin. Pass. Wala. Nakanya pa rin ang bola. Nakuha na. Laban. Pinasa kay Traya. Traya. Makatake pero may pito tayo. First row. Okay. Pasok, 1 point para kay Pastor Alonso Day. Alonso Day, Pastor Zetan. Zetan daw. Zetan ay ipagsayawan, 6 minutes and 30 seconds remaining. Pastor Magalala. Pastor Zetan. 10 seconds shot clock. Pastor Arate. Jack shot. 1 go. Divided by Gomez. Pastor Traya. Pastor Yambot. Intercepted by Magalala. Zetan. Mounting mawala pero may Zetan. Pastor Magalala. Back to Zetan. 6 minutes and 5 seconds. 15 seconds shot clock. Intercepted by Yabaw. Pinasa kay Traya. Habol. Nailitan. Pinasa kay Tuyambo. Easy 2 points. By Yambo. Arake. Pinasa kay Zetan. Zetan to Magalala. Back to Zetan. Pass to Alonso Day. 10 for 3. 1 0. Ronaldo by Gomez. Gomez daw. Aatake nila. Back to Katakutan. Katakutan. Lumapit. Yambot. Back to Katakutan. 4 seconds shot clock. Katakutan ba ay 1 goal. Ronaldo by Silent. Balik to Alonso Day. Alonso Day. Intercepted by Katakutan. Katakutan pa to Yambot. Nawala na lang bola. Easy na na. 5-40. Lima na ang kalamangan ng double protection. Zetan now. Easy driven. Pinasa Alonso Day sa loob. Pahal. 1 goal. Ronaldo by Yabaw. Yabaw now. Pasto Traya. Traya. Easy dribbling. Pasto Katakutan. Naling kay Yabaw. Yabaw pahal. 1 goal. Rebound by Yabaw pa rin. Pasto Katakutan. Jump shot. 2 points. By Katakutan. Arake now. Back to Zetan. 4 minutes and 10 seconds remaining for the third quarter. Zetan now. 10 seconds shot clock. And there's a whistle. Go for London. 35 to 40. Wala. Rebound by Yambot. Yambot. Pasto Traya. Traya to Katakutan. Katakutan. Walang takot. Wala. Rebound by Zetan. Ayan na si Zetan. Nagmamadali. Kaya pangisayawan. Double team. Pasto Arake. Arake now. Set the play. 15 seconds shot clock. Zetan pasto Alonso Day. Alonso Day. 2 points by Alonso. Traya. Yambot. Yambot tao. Pasto Katakutan. Katakutan. Tumira sa threat. Wala. Rebound by Silent. Silent now. Ayan na si Silent. Looking for the goal. Nakita si Arake. Arake. Drag in. Drag pasto Alonso Day. Wala. Rebound by Silent. Silent pass. 2 points by Silent. Wala lang kalamangan ng double rejection. Talagang naghihingalo ang bench. Yambot, 5 for 3, Yambot! Ayan na, Pasto Zetan. Zetan, running in. 2 points, 2 by 6. Good pa rin yan, good pa rin. Traya. At ang 4-3. Pag-ipis kaya yata. Zetan, atake. 2 points, 2 by 6. Ayan na ulit ang Katakutan. Katakutan, umatake. Hindi na kaintindihan. Alonso Day ang bola. Alonso Day na madali. Tayo tayo. Isa. Pasok. Isa na lang kalamangan. Traya. Pasto Yambot. Yambot. Harus by Silent. Zetan now. Dribbling the ball. Inuunti-unti ng base team. Pasto Magalala. Back to Zetan. 10 seconds shot clock. Zetan. Zagzi. Iiwan nila maglalong bola. 5 seconds shot clock. Silent ball. 1 go. Rebound by Yambot. Nakuha pa rin yung Yambot ng bola. Yambot. Nagkahanap ng mapapasaan. Si Traya. And for 3. Traya. Zetan now. Patagalan ng resistensya ang base team. 50 seconds remaining, 50 seconds shot clock. Back to Arake. Maglalang, 10 seconds shot clock. 5 seconds shot clock. Setan, 2 points for by Setan. Back to Yambot. Yambot, back to Traya. Traya, looking the ball. Attention 3. Wala. Save by Yambot, pero nakuha ni Setan. Ayan na si Setan, harap sabay katakutan. Setan, nakita ni Dayawan, 15 seconds remaining. Arake, jump shot, 2 points for by Arake. 10. Deadlock na tayo. Intercept, 5 seconds remaining. Wala. Okay. Deadlock ulit tayo. All 51. Talaga naman ang tibay ng base.
Okay guys, fourth quarter guys. The final quarter guys. Deadlock ang score. Deadlock. All.
Okay. Bola na base. Arake. Pasto Maglalala. Harap ko may katakutan. Maglalala. Pinakaya Arake. Intercepted. Pero nandun pa rin si Setan. Setan. Pasto Alonso din. 2 points. 2 by Alonso. Katakutan. Pasto Yambot. Yambot. Pasto Traya. Traya tumatakutan. Gomez. 2 points. 2 by Gomez. Setan. Pasto Maglalala. Maglalala, ganda-ganda, iniwan sa ilalim pero hindi malalabay sa laro na ito. Malapit na tayo matapos. Sayang na bola. Tingnan natin kung sino ang wawagi. Yambot. 10 seconds shot clock. 1-0. Rebound na may Gomez. Alonso Days. Ayan na si Alonso Days. Hindi na ball. Pinakakay Setan. Setan nakalanglag, tumira, wala, rebounder by Adriano. Adriano. Pinakakay Gomez. Gomez, intercepted by Ingan. Back to Alonso din, solo. Wala, 2 points by Putan. Deadlock pa rin tayo, ganda ng laban. Dikit na dikit pa rin. Palapit natin matapos. 10 seconds shot na. 10 seconds shot clock. Nakuha pa rin. Ang tuyaro, pero nawala ang bola. Talent sa bola. Talent daw, nakipagsayawan. Nasundutan. Nakuha ni Alonso din. Maglalang. Back to Setan. 1-0. Rebound ni Alonso din. Alonso din. Seconds pero wala ito. Puspolo. First row, pantagtag, palamangan. Pasok, ating nakalamangan. Tinangay kalakutan. Save pa rin. Gasa-gasa, harap sa alim. Nagana ang mapapasa, nakita si Traya. 60 seconds shot. Yabaw now. 10 seconds shot. Pasok katakutan, pero isa, 1-0. Rebound yung Belsanes. Back break. Kay Setan. Rajin, foul. 2 points, 2 by 6. Katakutan. Ayan natin katakutan. Dalawa, laban sa isa. Yambot. Ito yung goal. Ayun na, nakuha na ang Setan. Dalawa, laban sa isa, may tito. Setan, first throw. Wala. Score, 54. Second throw, 6 minutes and 45 seconds remaining. Try now, Pasuyang Dot. Yambot, pinasa kay Gomez. Gomez by, 1-0. Rebound na by. Kanino mo? Pinasa sa loob. May salit. Nakanakalit. Pero wala. Back break. Yung katakutan. Katakutan. Lensap. 2 points. 2 by katakutan. Setan. Setan now. Napapagaling. Sundutan. Nakakuha na yung bot. Tinatay Traya. Traya, basto katakutan. Katakutan, lesya. Subay katakot. Bilis, lumawag. Nadala, nalamangan. Nawala ang bola. Nakunalo ang Zubin. Pasto Zetan. Zetan pa. Suli ka man mo. Pero ayan, ingat lang kaibigan. Gonzales. Wala. Nalalang ang hinahabol. Pinasa kay Maglala. Maglala. So Alonso din. Intercepted by Yambot. Pinasa kay Traya. Traya to Yambot. Ang ganda ng mga CC9. Sense table na naman tayo. 60-61 na. Ayan na si Arare. Lugar to receiver. Pato Alonso din. 5. 2 points to the Alonso. 5 minutes remaining. Nalahanan tayo sa fourth quarter. 15 seconds shot clock. Lamang pa rin ang isa. Adriano Mar. 1-2. Palo salto by Yabaw. Lamang na naman ang isa. Ang double injection. Magalala on the dribble. 15 seconds shot clock. Zetan. Ginagawa ay Arate. Pagsusales. Attempts for 3. 1-2. Rebound na by Zetan. Pinayuan ng tito. 25 seconds remaining. 4 minuto. 25 segundos. Bongo, wala. Nakuha niya ang rebound. Relax lang. Pasto Yabaw. 48-20. Pasto Traya. Traya. Forma sa net. Traya. David Member na naman tayo. Score. 54-66. 3 minutes and 55. Pasto Arake. Pinalik kay Zetan. 10 seconds shot clock. Zetan. Aantag sa nila. Intercepted. Nakuha na Traya. Ayan na si Traya. 2 points by Traya. Kaya pa yan. 3 minuto. Higit pa. Ang matira. 4 seconds shot clock. Zetan. Gonzales. 10 seconds shot clock. Kanina po. Time out! Set the play. Relax lang daw. 15 seconds shot clock. Pagsusaya. Yawa. 1-2. Maglalang ang rebound. Alonso din. Atake. Nawala ang bola. Nakuha ni Gonzales. 15 seconds shot clock. Salabas. Wala. Rebound mo ba yung bot? Pagod na ang baseline. 2 minutes and 15 seconds remaining. Nakuha na Adriano Mar. Wala. Rebound mo ba? Zetan. Tinanay talent. Nabalbon. First goal. Pasok. Last 2 minutes remaining. Katakutan. Pinasay Yabaw na lambot. Kamla sana. Pero kanino ang bola. Nakuha ng Arake. On the rebound. Pagkusales. 1 minute 35. 68. Nakalawag sa whistle. Palo.
Napumupat, nagdali.
First goal! Pinapakita niya kung gaano siya nakaangas sa laro. Wala. Rebound by Yabaw. Pasok katagutan. Score! 66-68. 1 minute and 35 seconds remaining for this game. Yabaw. Tingnan natin kung babalitan pa ang paso. Ayan na sila tagutan. Inasa kay Yabaw. Yabaw ba? Nakalikot. Wala. Diskarte. Pinasakay katakutan. Katakutan. Foul. 1-2. Rebound to by. Alonso din. Pinasakay Zetan. Pandabula. Kumanda pa ang laro. 1 minute remaining. Tingnan natin. Talaga naman. 10 seconds shot clock. 10 seconds shot clock. Katakutan mo 3. 1-2. Ito Gonzales. throw count, sabi nga nila. Boom! 40 segundos ang nalalaki. Teka bro, wala. Sabay ba yung kampo? Magalala. 10 seconds shot. Magalala, huli ka ba na ball? Nakuha pa rin dalong na rin. Nagagawan. Pakto Traya. Ayan natin Traya. Nakuha ni Jadion. Ayan na. 19 seconds. Mahaba pa yan. Isang possession pa, pwede pang mabaliktad. Last shot, jumper swing. Pasok. Yano. Pasto Adriano. Adriano. Overtime by Mayo. Nagka-overtime by Mayo. Salea, amigo. Ganda ng laro.
Guys, overtime tayo guys. Overtime.
Baseball.
Laban guys, baseball guys.
3 minutes remaining.
Baseball. Overtime.
Okay. Huling shot. Ayun na, may kasulina pa ang base. Ayun na, nagawa niya ang bot. Yamot. Ayan yan mga iligan. Katama naman yun. Rebound there. Gano ang ball pa. Along the game now. Along the game. Atake kay Tito. Okay, pasok. Wala. Rebound na ba yung Arake? Along the day. Along the day, far. 1-2. Rebound na ba yung along the day pa rin? Along the day. Tumira. Tos. Katakutan. Katakutan na kalusot. 2 points. Survive na pa. Score. 73-74. Ganda ng laban. Along the day. Pinasay Maglala. Maglala pa. 1-2. Rebound na ba yung Arake? Pero may shot. Wala. Arake pa rin. Arake. Tumira. Huling kabalbon. Salim. Ganda na. Drop back. 2 minutes remaining. 2 minutes remaining. Traya. Tumira. Pinasay ang bot. 4 seconds shot na. Traya na. 1-2. Rebound na yung katakutan. Katakutan pa. Wala. Seta na tabal. Pinasinak ang sarili. Seta. Bumaka. Ito tumisan. Offensive na ito. Lamang pa rin ang isa ang base team. Second personal, on Zetas. Raya, Paktuya po. Paktuyabaw. Yawaw. 1-2. Rebound na rin katakutan. Raya. Louis Polisimer. Yabaw for 3. Wala. Rebounder by Yabaw. 2 points by Yabaw. Not counted. First ball. Jumper swing. 1 minute and 30 seconds remaining. Pasok. Deadlock tayo. Hold sa mag-resist. Nako, nakakamay na naman ito. 1 minute and 5 seconds remaining. Try now. 50 seconds na. Last. Right minute remaining. 10 seconds left. Adreno, power. 1-2. Rebound to Alon Reyes. And to Supercell. 50 seconds remaining. First throw. Isang time out tayo ha. Jumper ready. Lamang ng isa. Okay. Second throw. Traya. Traya now. Pasto katakutan. Harap sa Bayseta, katakutan, pinasakay ang bot, tumira, wala, rebounder by Maglala, Maglala, pagsusetan, Setan now, Setan, and then to whistle. Katakutan, pinasakay Traya, Try now. Aras by Roque. 25 seconds remaining. 15 seconds shot clock. Wala. Ano yung bola? Alam ko ang bola. 15 seconds remaining. Warning from Professor Kaya. 11 seconds remaining. First ball. Ang base.
Magkata magkukunin.
Intercepted. In. Follow. 5 seconds remaining. 1 second. Okay. Congratulations sa Messi! Pinakita ng best ang kanilang tibay!